What is it today?
What's up, guys? It is my birthday. I'm 19 years old. Can you believe it?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Aww. I love him so much.
Can you pull up like a chair?
Hey, we got a chair. We got a chair over here, man.
He's sleeping.
It's 7 of the white cards.
Okay, I guess. Black cards, got it.
We weren't supposed to do this.
Alright, you guys got
Hey, dear John. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Pieces.
Alright.
Got lots of pieces.
But you gotta go all the
Get
way
the bigger
down.
pieces. This, okay.
Alright, I got it.
Oh my
Pero
god.
no, Jonathan, come
It's
on.
not Pico, man.
No.
It's not Pico.
I got it, I
Don't
got
make it so small.
it. Who gave me the knife? You gave me the knife, Mom.
No, my camera.
Yeah, but it's only one cut. It's like when you get a wedding, one cut, that's it.
Listen.
When you get to
You
your
told me
wedding,
to
it's
cut
only
it,
one
no.
cut.
What?
And then
all Skylar's
let
fault.
somebody else do the rest.
Alright, who wants the big one?
I do.
Out here, out here. Yeah.
A bigger pot. These. Here we go.
John! Save the cake!
Shit.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is that?
Run. Oh my god. I'm scared. Oh shit.